Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. You can see I am dressing the part here at Honeybee Bridal and Boutique, where they will have a Richmond County Chamber of Commerce Business After 5 event here today at 5:30 p.m. It is their prime season here at Honeybee Bridal and Boutique with prom dresses and bridal dresses. Wedding season and prom season are upon us. You can see the dress I am wearing is from here and also still for sale. And lots more are here at Honeybee, and along with the dress, they have the earrings and they also have the shoes and all the other accessories you'll need for your special occasion. So come out tonight for the Business After 5 event. Also tonight there is a live free concert in Ellerby at the Berry Patch featuring the Sand Band. Max's Millstone food truck will also be on site. He will be donating 10% of his proceeds, and the Berry Patch has several fundraisers for baby Graylee. So please go out and support a great cause, a community member who is in need, and enjoy the live music. All items at Berry Patch will also be for sale, so you can get ice cream, produce, and much more, along with Max's Millstone Barbecue. That will be from 6 until 9 p.m. On Saturday, the 25th, there will be an Operation Fix fundraiser with a painting at Hippy Dippy Boutique. There will also be canvas painting in Hamlet at Bisque. At Hail Mary's Tavern, they will have bow tie karaoke, and at Double Vision, they will have special guest Little Rusty. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com, sync our Google Calendar with yours, subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive these videos every week. It is Visit Richmond County NC. Also follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, and on Instagram, Richmond Tourism. We'll see you next week.